Okay.
Спасибо, is that what it means in Russia?
No, спасибо. Спасибо.
Spasiba.
No.
That's thank you, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Spasiba.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Take care.
Take care.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm just making my way to the iconic Charles Bridge and it's going to be so much fun because I can imagine the amount of people that would be there. It's going to be a crazy experience. You can see this crowd already, like Donald Trump would say. Look at this crowd. Yeah, anyways, yeah, there will be a lot of people on Charles Bridge, which I'm not looking forward to. Apparently, you should be going to Charles Bridge early in the morning if you actually want to enjoy it and if you want to take some pictures. Unfortunately, I didn't do that. I've decided to come in the afternoon, but it doesn't really matter. The whole point is to see the bridge. If I go there and I realize that it'll be good to take some pictures, then I would have to come back to take some pictures. But for now, I'm just going to see how it looks like. I think I've been there before, but I can't actually remember because this is 2016. I think actually I have been there before. I remember now. I have been there before. And sometimes I forget where I've been to because I've been to so many countries in my lifetime. I'm still young, but I've been to so many countries. Okay. Let's keep moving. So we're going to the iconic Charles Bridge. It is a must-visit place. It is definitely a must, yeah. So the places you have to visit are Old Town Square and the iconic Charles Bridge. Those two places are so key. If you visit Prague and you haven't actually been there, or you are not thinking of going there, then you are doing yourself a disservice. You need to actually make sure Charles Bridge and Old Town Square have been seen. So now you can see the amount of people that are walking towards the bridge, and that's how busy it gets. Sorry for the hiccups, yeah? I need to get myself some water later on because I'm getting a bit dehydrated. But yeah, you could see the crowd already. By the time you get to the bridge, it'll be crazy. I'm just hoping that when I get there, the norm does not happen, which is a lot of people are not on the bridge. Because sometimes that happens. Oh, you can get a massage. $9.99. So let me find that. Hi. Is it actually $9.99 for the massage?
$9.99 only morning.
Okay.
10 to 11. Now this price.
Okay. So 6 minutes. Okay. Yeah, thank you. The prices are reasonable. It's reasonable, it's not bad. I'll think about it. $6.99 Czech kronas for a back and neck massage. I don't think it's as cheap as Vietnam. I don't think it's as cheap as Thailand. But it's still okay for Europe, I would say. Okay, so we're walking towards the bridge. Yeah, I like the way this looks. And you see like the sidebar. They have a lot of this in Central Europe. I remember I went to a bar like this in Krakow. And there was a guy that went to the the bloody restaurant, yeah? And he ordered a drink. He drank it and he fled without paying. It was so funny. I literally saw him run. Not run, but like he walked really fast. And I was like, oh my days, like, that's crazy. Oh my days, look at that view. That is crazy nice, isn't it? This is why people come to Prague. You can never get this view elsewhere. It's crazy, isn't it? Okay. So let's keep walking. We need to get on that bridge. This is how beautiful Prague is. So you see we're going from here to there. And we need to wait for the lights to be green. This is why they say you should come very early. I think most people recommend you come like 7 in the morning. But I don't think I can do that though. I think the earliest I can do is maybe 9 o'clock. I'm not sure I can do bloody 7 o'clock in the morning. That's way too early for me, man. Okie dokie. Let's go on that bridge and see what's happening. This is an iconic bridge, just like the way London Bridge is, or Tower Bridge in the UK. Can you see that view? A lot of greenery in that bit, and here are a lot of nice fancy buildings, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of entertainment. Oh, that's the Old Town Bridge Tower. We're not going there. Let's move on. Prague kind of reminds me of Rome. There's a lot of walking, but I think Rome is worse. That's why I want to get on tomorrow, the river cruise. I'm looking to get on that tomorrow. I think that would be nice. So see, I told you there'll be a lot of activities around. That normally happens on this sort of bridges. There'll be a lot of people selling at work and selling products and things like that. But I like it, it's nice. You can get a picture of yourself if you want, or a drawing of yourself, sorry. So that's nice, that's a nice view. Oh, look at the couple there. Look, that's nice. I remember I did something like that in Maldives, and it wasn't a good look. It wasn't. The tide was getting low, and some bits were deep and some bits were not, and it felt like the little boat thing was sinking. And I can't swim in the deep end. I could swim, but not in like, not on sea. Like we were literally on sea, on the Indian Ocean. It was crazy. Okay. That looks good. Wow. Welcome to Charles Bridge. It'll be interesting to see what is on the other side. That's what I'm looking forward to. I might end up finding a restaurant I prefer. You never know. I might end up finding a restaurant I actually like. That does happen sometimes. But it's just a nice view, like it looks really good, isn't it? I'm slightly knackered. I feel like I'm doing a lot of cardio today. It shows that I've not traveled for a while, because usually I travel every month, but I've taken a bit of break. Although I was shooting videos in the UK, well, I was not shooting a lot. So now I'm back to my norm. Like back in the days, I was so fit. Like, because I was going every month and I was doing a lot of walking, my body was kind of used to it. But now I'm trying to get used to it again. I like all of this. It's nice, isn't it? That's literally the countryside. And that's the suburbs.
Ahoy!
Hi, you okay?
Ahoy, okay.
Yeah, so that's the countryside and that's the suburbs. That's crazy, isn't it? The divide. It's just a bunch of trees that cause that divide. Oh well. Now this brings memories. Man, it's been a while. 2016, how many years is that now? That's a long time. Things have actually changed. That's about 8 years ago. Wow, 8 years ago. That's a long time. Because I came here when I did a Euro tour. And 8 years ago seems far, but it's not far at the same time. 8 years, it's far, but it's not far. I mean, it's a long time and it's not a long time, I mean. Because 8 years can literally fly like that. Okay. So, we have a lot of that. I don't know what they signify, but I know, I mean, now I don't know, but I remember back then somebody explained them. Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you Czech?
No, Russian.
Oh, you're Russian? I want to go to Russia.
Okay, where are you from?
England.
England?
Yeah.
Ah, so what are you doing here? You
On holiday, yeah, tourist, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
But you're explaining.
Yeah, I'm trying to explain to my subscribers. I've got a YouTube channel. Yeah. Mesiba, Mesiba, is that thank you?
Okay.
Mesiba, is that what it means in Russia?
No, спасибо. Спасибо.
Spasiba.
No.
That's thank you, basically.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Spasiba.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Take care.
Take care.
Yeah. Yeah, my Russian friend. Okay, so right. So we are walking around and I'm showing you all these bits already. So you can see that bit. I think it might be part of the old town because the way the old town is set up is all connected, isn't it? But there might be a divide, basically. I think there's a divide because it's got like the old town vibe. Like, can you see the way the building is? So I think it's part of the old town. But the river basically divides them. Oh, it's good that she corrected me. I thought it was Mesiba, so it's Spasiba. I think she said. Thank you. Okay, I'm learning a bit of Russian. Yeah, so there's a lot of Russians and Ukrainians in Prague. Something I did notice even in 2016. And I did notice in, I think last year when I went to Brno, a lot of Russians Russians travel as well. There's a lot of Russians around. Oh, no cash. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my days, I think I need a break. I need a break. What do you reckon I should do? Do you think I should sit on the bridge and have like orange juice? Yeah, I think I need like let's say orange juice or pineapple juice, something that has a bit of citrus, something nice and cold, I think. Okay, so it looks a bit different in this part, but I remember coming to this bit. I think this is the bit where I saw like a Chinese restaurant last time I came in 2016. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to find a place to have a little snack, maybe. Oh, that's a hotel. There are very lot of hotels around this bit as well. So you know, one of them hotels that they have like a little restaurant and bar in front of it. It's nice. Okay. At least people can park their cars here. But I don't know if they're allowed to park all day or they've got like restrictions, because this sort of places, they tend to have a lot of restrictions for parking. Oh, that's another place that has a lot of bees. Can you see all the bees? I don't know how people work in places like this. I can't even stand the bees at all. Well, that's a nice car. That's a Mercedes. That's very nice. Oh, I could see McDonald's already, but I'm not going McDonald's. No way. I'm not going McDonald's. I went to Burger King at the airport yesterday when I landed because I was bloody hungry and there was no bloody Czech restaurant in the bloody airport. So I had to eat whatever was available to me. Okay, let's keep walking. I'll probably end it in like 5 minutes. Okay, so I think it's just more and more restaurants, bars, places to chill. For all you know, I've even been to these ends before because it looks quite familiar, not to lie. So I'm gonna end it here. I've shown you Charles Bridge. Hopefully you come to Charles Bridge when next you come to Prague. Take care guys, see you later.